Hello my YouTube lovers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, The Australian Bro, live from Australia, from the capital city Canberra. As we all know that YouTube has already introduced a new feature, which is YouTube Shorts, just to give a healthy competition to TikTok, Snapchat and Instagram stories. Actually, I was uploading a short YouTube video on my channel. For that I had to make a thumbnail, so for that very reason I was looking for the YouTube short monogram, which I couldn't find anywhere like a proper one. I mean the icon with a transparent background, which we could actually use on the some sort of advertisement or poster or actually on thumbnail. This made me push to make one by my own, so I thought I should share this with you guys as well. So in order to design this logo, we have to go to the canva.com. Guys, this site, just note it down somewhere, this site is a miracle. It's just a magic, I'm telling you now. We are already in canva.com, so this is the main interface you're gonna get. There are lots of options you will see, but in here, in all the options, you got to choose for you, and in for you we have to go to the logo. So this screen will pop up after that. So let's see what we're gonna get. Alright guys, this screen you're gonna get in the beginning. So in here, from here actually you have to go to element. I'll give you the short way. Element. As soon as you go to the element, in here you search for capsule. As we all know that YouTube short, actually if you already had a look to the monogram, it is just like a capsule, you know, just to make, in order to make a S, so they actually combined couple of capsule together and put a play button in between that. So you will get to know. So if we search capsule in here, so we'll get this. All right, put this one in here, bring it here and just make it a little bit angle, and then you have to click another time in here and you will get another capsule here, and just try and just give it a little bit angle as well. And after that you have to resize it and merge them together. See, we are getting there. Okay, this shape is a little bit like that. All right, I think we are winning. Just a little bit more resize. Is it all good? Yeah, looks good to me. Okay, after this go to element again and look for triangle, so that we can make a play button as well. Just go for the smaller one. Okay, we got it here, this triangle. Resize it, just make it a bit smaller and change the color, make it white. It is invisible here, but if you take it here it will be visible. And then just make it a bit of an angle and then resize it. Okay, I think we got it. All right, so for this, just to give it a more professional look, just select all these three slides, so that, and group it, all three slides, and if you just right click and group them together, and just to give it a more professional look. For some reason this red color looks dull to me, so for that just select this one by one and just try to find another good color. If you go in here, I already select this one in here, but I'll show you how to select that one. So, and drag this circle like on a brighter side. See how it's getting changed? So just we have to repeat the process in this one as well, and this color already select here, and we can select straight away like that. All right, our monogram of YouTube short is all set ready, and we have to go in here and download it. Just want to mention one thing in here, that if you are on a Canva Pro, only in that case you will be able to download like the monogram with the transparent background. Just select this one like that, because I don't have the paid version of Canva. I'm not a pro user of that, so that's why I can't actually download the transparent one. So I'll go with a white background, but as soon as you're gonna hit the download, it will be downloading on your desktop or wherever you just give the location, and then I can always go back to the Photoshop and just remove the background for that. So yeah guys, this is all about it. Okay, if you find this video really useful for you, please do not forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends by posting it on your timelines, and do comment me please and let me know if you find any difficulty to design this particular monogram. I'll see you in the next time with another useful video. Take good care of yourself and peace out.